This is my mom's dog, Daisy, and we usually do have to groom her, so we like to have a grooming harness just so that we can be able to cut her nails and get her groomed. So this was actually sent to me for review. I have worked with this company before. They have amazing pet products, but this is a grooming harness, and what makes it unique is it's actually a little shark, which I'm super excited to take it out of the package, so let's see what it looks like. So here it is, and oh my goodness, it is hilarious. Look at how cute this is. So this is the small size. Actually with Daisy, I probably could have gotten an extra small, but I have other dogs as well that are a little bit bigger, so I think this is gonna be perfect. But you can see that it has a little tail over here. You have the little places for the hands and the feet, and then it has this nice piece of Velcro, and it's very large right here, so once the dog is in there, you can make sure that you put that on so that they are nice and secure. And these straps up top feel very good as well, because again, you want something that's going to be very secure so that the dog feels nice and safe in the harness and they're not going to be trying to get out. But it is just so cute. I have never seen anything like this, like a harness that actually is like an animal, so this is great. I'm excited to use it. I also like that the package came with a few different things, so you do get a brush as well, so you're not needing to go out and buy anything else. It actually comes in the set. And then you also get, which I thought was really cool, this like clipper set, so you can actually use this to cut their nails. And then you also have a nail file as well, so very versatile. You get all the pieces you need, so you don't have to go out and buy anything else. You also get these, so these are included, and again, this is what you're going to use to hang up the shark harness to be able to do the clipping of the nails or anything else. And it does also come with this instruction manual, super easy, but just walks you through exactly how to set it up. So I'm going to get started putting this together, and we'll get Daisy in there and I'll check back in. Before I get Daisy in here, I just wanted to talk about the fabric on this. It's really nice, but it is really breathable. There is a soft inner net fabric, and you can see just how wide the legs are and the hands, just to make sure that it is going to be comfortable for your pet's limbs and also their neck. Here's Daisy going into the harness, and again, I love that the leg and the armholes are so large, because that'll make it to where it won't be too tight and won't be so restrictive on her. So she goes in really nicely. Again, there's varying sizes depending on your animal that you can have, but you can see here that she's hanging really nicely. Again, the straps are very solid and stable, but you can see she's not trying to get out. She's not uncomfortable. She's just kind of going with the flow. There was a point that she was starting to fall asleep, but we were able to clip her nails and get her brushed as well. So final thoughts, I think it's great. The quality on this is definitely awesome.